Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ledger Nano X for secure crypto storage, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Ledger Nano X is fully charged. Unbox your Ledger Nano X carefully, taking care not to damage any components. Locate the USB-C cable that comes with the device. Connect one end of the USB-C cable to your Ledger Nano X and the other end to your computer. Power on your Ledger Nano X by pressing the button. You will see the welcome screen, which prompts you to choose your language. Select your preferred language using the buttons on the device. After selecting the language, choose the option to set up as a new device. You will be prompted to create a new PIN code for your device. Enter a PIN code that is both secure and memorable. Confirm your PIN code by entering it again when prompted. Next, you will receive your recovery phrase, a critical part of your device's security. This recovery phrase will consist of 24 words. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase exactly as displayed on the screen. Store this recovery phrase in a safe and secure location, away from your device. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. After writing down the recovery phrase, confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Once confirmed, your device will generate your cryptocurrency wallet addresses. Now, connect your Ledger Nano X to the Ledger Live application on your computer. If you haven't downloaded Ledger Live yet, go to the official Ledger website to download it. Open Ledger Live and follow the prompts to start the installation process. Create a new account within the application to manage your cryptocurrencies. Choose your crypto assets that you want to manage under your Ledger account. Once the setup is complete, you can start receiving and managing your cryptocurrencies securely. Always ensure that your Ledger Nano X firmware is up to date for optimal security. Congratulations, your Ledger Nano X is now set up for secure crypto storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.